Actor Prakash Raj's claim that his name was deleted from Bengaluru's electoral roll during the SIR has been rejected by election officials. The Bengaluru Central City Corporation said Raj's name was on the electoral roll at serial number 970, part number 1, Shantinagar Assembly Constituency, when the SIR data was frozen on June 16, 2026. Officials said a house-to-house verification by the booth-level officer found that Raj had permanently shifted from his registered address at number 266 Garden Apartment. The BLO reportedly verified this with neighbors and the property manager. The flat owner also confirmed that Raj had not lived there for about 4 years and that other tenants were currently staying there. Based on the verification, officials prepared a mahazar and marked his voter status as shifted, saying the action followed Election Commission guidelines. The additional district election officer said he also spoke to Raj on August 11th. According to the official, Raj confirmed that he was no longer living at the registered address but was residing at another address within the Shantinagar constituency. Officials said Raj can have his name registered at his current address through Form 6. The election authorities therefore said the allegation that Raj's name was wrongly deleted was not true based on the verification carried out.